Assalamu alaikum and welcome. How was the Quran actually revealed? And why did it take 23 years instead of coming all at once? If this is revelation from Allah, why not send it instantly? By the end of this video, you'll understand not only how the Quran was revealed, but why that process matters for how we read it today. The Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, over a period of about 23 years. Not as a single book, but gradually, verse by verse, moment by moment. And this is where many people misunderstand something important. The Quran was not revealed all at once because it was never meant to be just information. It was meant to guide real people in real time. Through the angel Jibreel, who brought the words of Allah to the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, sometimes only a few verses, sometimes longer passages. And every time it came with purpose. But here's the question: why reveal it this way? Why not send everything at once? Because the people receiving the Quran were not just learning it, they were living it. And this is where the wisdom becomes clear. The early Muslims were facing real situations, questions, doubts, hardship, decisions. And the Quran came exactly when it was needed. Not too early, not too late. At the right moment. Answering their questions, correcting their actions, strengthening their faith. And this changes how we see the Quran completely. It was not distant guidance. It was living guidance, connected to life as it was happening. But there's something even deeper here. The gradual revelation did something powerful. It made the Quran easier to absorb, easier to memorize, easier to understand, and, most importantly, easier to apply. The companions did not rush through the Quran. They would learn a few verses, understand them, and then live by them before moving forward. And this is something many of us are missing today. We try to read everything quickly. We try to finish the Quran. But the Quran was not revealed to be rushed. It was revealed to transform people, step by step. And this is where everything comes together. Because the way the Quran was revealed teaches us how to approach it. Not all at once. Not just reading, but reflecting, understanding, applying. And this is where it becomes practical for us. If the Quran came step by step, then we should approach it the same way. We don't rush. We don't overwhelm ourselves. We take a few verses, we understand them, and we try to live by them. Even a small amount can have a real impact. And this is the part most people overlook. The power of the Quran is not in how much you read. It's in how much you live. So the way the Quran was revealed is not just history. It is a method of change, a method of growth, a method of guidance. At the center of it all is one belief. We believe the Quran is revelation from Allah. And because of that, even the way it was revealed carries wisdom. But this is only the beginning, because there is always more to understand. If you want to truly understand the Quran, subscribe to the channel. We're going step by step, from revelation to structure, to how we can build a real connection with it. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.